What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I am Sincerely Niko, and in today's video we're going to be doing a beauty room tour. This video is not highly requested, but I do want to give you guys an update on how my new beauty section, beauty station, beauty room, beauty all that and the above is now set up for YouTube, and I just hope you guys are eager to see what I've increased, what I've changed, and what I am planning on doing for this channel for the future. So if you guys are interested in this video, definitely watch. If you guys are new content creators out there or interested in starting into doing YouTube, this video could be very helpful for you guys, because I kind of break things down for you how I was able to build this space for me over a period of time. So if you are interested in starting YouTube and looking to see some affordable options, then definitely keep watching this video. And then just a little bit of business. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, sis. Hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. Alright, so this is my beauty space. So I have a good decent amount of space between the backdrop or back area to my camera. The main reason why I wanted a lot of depth is to kind of give that lived in space. Make it look like, you know, everything is just beautiful. Everything is just natural. I set up a camera in my house and film, but all ultimate reality, this is like a production. So I'm actually going to switch over to my iPhone. I'm going to record on my iPhone, just some behind the scenes type of vibes, so you guys can get an ordeal of what's going on behind the scenes. Alright guys, so this is the updated video. As you guys can see, hello, hi, how are you? What's up, girl? Cheese. So this is the updated area that I am currently recording out of. Excuse the fans. I have one fan here and then one fan underneath, because it gets really hot underneath all of these lights. And then you see all this mess. I got done recording 2 videos already for you guys, so I have some amazing content coming for you guys, so please subscribe. But anyways, long story short, as you guys can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 soft boxes and a boom, my version of a boom light. So I have 5 different lights going on simultaneously while I'm recording. The camera that I'm currently using, which is right here, and you guys can kind of see me in it, is the Lumix G7. It is a Wi-Fi based camera where you guys can record wirelessly, and I have it connected to an iPad as my monitor so I can be able to see. And then I have a Rode mic. That is the mic that I use to record my quality, my audio quality, which increased over the period of time. Shout out to Rode. You're the real MVP, honey. But this is the setup. The desk is from IKEA, and then I have 2 wired under the shelf baskets I picked up from Dollar General. Excuse the mess. I'm real hood, y'all. Y'all should know I'm real ratchet, real ghetto, real hood. But in these, I have some of my favorite products. I have all my brow products in this one, and some mascaras. I have all my lip liners in that one. In this one over here, I have some tools that I like to use and reach for all the time. And then I have all my eyeliners in this one, liquid and pencil base. Spinning around. Hello, there's a mirror. Spinning around, this is the backdrop, which is also functional for storage purposes as well too. What you guys typically normally see is this here in all of my videos. Thank you guys for showing so much love on the updated backdrop. I have been planning and working on bringing this vision to life, and I'm so happy that you guys love it a lot. Over in these clear containers that I have from the container stores, I have all of my lippy products here displayed. I have all of my liquid lipsticks and some Uma lipsticks displayed here. These are glosses. These are all matte, and then these are my traditional bullets. ABH is displayed in this one, and Uma is displayed in that one. I have a couple of Macs. You know, you can see which one you want. I can grab. I need to reorganize all that later, but she's okay for right now. Over here on this side, I have a couple of foundations displayed. My Fenty foundations, I have them in 4 shades, and then my Uma foundations, I have them in 3 shades. I have a cute little LED light that's in a cactus. Sometimes I switch back and forth between the flamingo and the cactus just to kind of give a little bit of backlit ordeal, a little life behind me. And then up here, I have my ABH single palette created by Anastasia Beverly Hills. They gifted me this when I became a part of their PR list. I have my initials in W, which you should know by now. Last name is Woods, first name is Niko, so that's my initials there. I have the shimmering body oil, a little gift I earned from Georgia Aquarium when I worked there. Bare Minerals setting powder. The pigments are up there as well too. Some brushes, and then some of my favorite books up here that have some strong black woman on the front. I have the Beyonce Vogue cover. I have the Tiana Taylor. I have the Zendaya cover, Issa Rae cover. I just black women in magazines are my inspiration. I do have a little bit of photos here as well too. I'm creating a collage. As time progresses, I'm adding more products into it. I have my first business card right there. Some of the events I attended to, my LA plane ticket when I went to LA, Uma products right there, my best friend Ariel Milan, hey Ariel, the time when I met Sierra, and then of course my first ID card from elementary, I have that in there as well too. Then the bottom 2 shelves are just storage, as you guys can see, nothing famous, nothing pretty. My Alyssa Edwards PR box there, and a little flower there, and that pretty much cuts off the mark where it kind of be seen, so I place that there so I kind of know what's in the actual how can I say it, what's actually displayed in the monitor. So this mark tells me if it's too high, it'll be seen. If it's too low, then it's perfect. Over here I have 2 faux plants on both sides, a succulent, and then of course some type of, I don't know what plant that is, but they was on sale and I wanted to put plants into my background. Over here are some Alex drawer dupes. These are not the Alex drawers, so don't come for me, IKEA. But primers, foundations. I have a lot of foundations, y'all. Foundation hunting. Concealers. I didn't lie to you guys. I have a whole drawer dedicated to concealers, eyeshadow primers, and brow products, mascara, more brow products, more concealers. Yeah, concealers. And I have a whole drawer full of powders and blushes. And then a whole drawer dedicated to highlighters. So I have a lot of makeup, but I don't have that much. I'm still growing. These are all like tools or overstock products. I have like my ABH dewy set here, because I'm not really into like the whole dew look. I'm more of a matte kind of girl, but she's here just for backup. I have a couple of setting sprays in here from Gerard Cosmetics and a Black Radiance. As you guys can see, thank you Black Radiance for sending me some products. But these are tools here. Juno & Co. sponge. Some Black Radiance BB cream. I stand by this wholeheartedly. Then I have more lashes. This whole drawer is full of lashes, just full of lashes. And then we get into the eyeshadow drawer. I have 3 drawers dedicated to eyeshadow, whether it's liquid based, which are all over here, and then of course some other eyeshadows. More eyeshadows, a lot of Morphes are over here, Morphe product over here, and then these are my ColourPop singles over here, and then more eyeshadows. All my ABHs are down here. My Dose of Color, that is a beautiful palette. ColourPop over here, Suva, more ColourPop, Juvia's Place, and then Bad Habit from Shop Hush and NYX. Alright guys, so I hope this video wasn't super duper rush. If it was, I do apologize, but I'm tired. This is like my 3rd video in this look. I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing this look and you guys want something more. More is coming. More is coming. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this updated beauty space. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up. If there's something I should add to this little room, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'm always eager or wanting to grow more. So holla at me. So I'm gonna end this video here. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.
Dirty, leave it, stuff formatted.